Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel. Today's the 21st of October and this is day 51 going over the events of 20 October 2021. So I started my day with 45 minutes of walking, including a 4-minute jog. Then I took Becky to school. Then I went to the gym. I've been very consistent. I have to congratulate myself, if I don't mind. I don't mean to sound narcissistic. Um, but this is an accomplishment because I have been going and consistently getting on the treadmill and also going to the gym and fulfilling my goals. So some self-congratulations is in order. And I think that everybody should congratulate themselves and pat themselves on the back. At least be good to yourself. And I am working on becoming better at my self-talk and about how I talk to myself and about letting go of situations that I cannot control. So, um, took Becky to school, went to the gym, had a remote wellness academy lesson, and I had a remote wellness academy coaching call. The lesson only did 30 minutes yesterday. Then I got on a call with Adam regarding the solar marketing. So I did solar. We had a discussion, and I paid for right after I had the call. I paid for a starting package for solar leads, and then I took some time off. Um, uh, I played some Skyrim. I haven't played in years. It's been years. Literally been years since I've played. So it's an old game that I've devoted a lot of time that I really enjoyed. I know that the sixth version of it is coming out at some point, but uh, some downtime right now just before open season because I'm going to be selling insurance. And I'm going to have about 6 weeks. It's going to be a marathon session. I hope to make um, a lot of money during these next 6 weeks, but it's going to be a sprint because it's open season lasts 6 weeks and 6 days a week. I'm going to work 6 days, 8 hours a day. Um, so for somebody who doesn't do that, already that's going to be a lot. There's some preparation in the days coming up where they're really like the insurance company is really rushing to finalize everything, get everything set up so that we're all ready to go on the first. Because I'm doing ACA sales, which is the Affordable Care Act, and that starts on November 1st and at least lasts to December 15th. Now, I think before they extended it, which would be good, which would give more opportunities to um, make more profit, but it's just that 6 week period, which would be really good. And it's just, it ends right like around the 15th of December. Then it's the time for the holidays and the new year, and that'd be perfect. That would just absolutely be a perfect situation. So just right now, I just kind of feel like, I just want to take a break from everything and uh, play my game. It is very addictive. So I'm not going to let it consume me too much, but it's okay, to have a little downtime before this 6 week period. So that's basically it. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks.